Okay guys, so these are the things that I will be using in my DIY centerpiece. I have my glue gun here, I have some picks here, I have a ball, and I have 2 ornaments. I have some picks here. I'm not sure that I'll be using them, but I just take them out. This mirror tray, I will be using it to anchor the reindeer on. And then this is a wreath that I got at the at-home store when they were having their 50% off. I think it was Black Friday, yeah. And I have some other picks here, and then I got these ones here from Hobby Lobby. I also have these hurricane lanterns. I'm not sure how I'm going to incorporate them, but I do want candles on my table.
I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. I can see the snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high.
enjoying the video so far, give a thumbs up. kings and my queens, we are coming to the ending of this video. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. I hope I would have brought some inspiration to you to be creative and create your beautiful centerpieces. Until then, guys, I will always say to you, do you and make it beautiful. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Remember also, guys, to like and to share this video. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed to the Queen's channel, then go right ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also turn those notification bells on so you won't miss an upload from the Queen.